Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So gold did make a pretty impulsive move down and a breaker structure on the 1 hour time frame. We definitely got the end of a trend, but the end of a trend that we have is very likely the end of a wave 3 trend on the 1 to 4 hour time frame. What does that mean? That means we're likely now to make a wave 4. Most wave 4s are around the same size as a wave 2, so I would kind of expect this to maybe go down to the 30, maybe the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the wave 3, potentially before it makes another move up for the wave 5. There is definitely no confirmation that the big wave 3 that I've been talking about on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame is over yet. I actually think there's a very good chance that those very high wave 3s are not over yet. So if you're more of a swing trader like me, I definitely am waiting for the long. If you're a scalper, then you could possibly scalp some shorts in this wave 4 until it makes a break to the upside for the wave 5. So, anyways, we don't really have a lot of news coming out over the next 24 hours or so. The BRICS summit starts tomorrow. Maybe that could do something. We got the guy in UK talking tomorrow. We got a guy from FOMC, and we got the President Lagarde from the Central European Central Bank. None of these news events are a big deal in my opinion. So, not really expecting a news driven move tomorrow, but that doesn't mean that there possibly will not be some entries, maybe some continuation patterns. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.